Hello everyone, welcome back to the Linux for Cybersecurity series. And today, in part 8, we are deep diving into capturing and analyzing traffic. So, every cyber attack leaves a trail on the network. If you can capture and analyze the traffic, you can detect intrusions, investigate attacks, and even stop them in real time. So today we will use Linux tools like tcpdump and tshark to capture and analyze Linux traffic. So what we will cover in this video, we are going to discuss about the packet capturing traffic with tcpdump, and then filtering traffic, analyzing packets in wireshark or tshark. So tshark we are going to cover in this video, and then detecting suspicious activity and cybersecurity context. All right, so first segment is introduction to packet capture. So packet sniffing means intercepting and recording network traffic. Security analysts use it for investigations while attacker use it for reconnaissance. And the second one is capturing traffic with tcpdump. So tcpdump is a command line tool used for packet sniffing and packet capturing. So by default, tcpdump shows packet summaries with w switch, and you can save the traffic in pcap. So pcap, if you don't know, pcap is a file which wireshark and tshark can read, and you can save the packet capture data in .pcap only. All right, let's jump on the hands-on. So tcp dump is another CLI tool for packet capturing. So we can start it with sudo command, and boom, the capturing started. So if you want the cleaner data, capture on ETS0, and you will get all the details related to live capture. Also you can filter your data, so live capturing is going on, you can see. And if you want to capture some specific port, protocol, or host, so that is also possible in TCP dump. And you can see it is more clean and human readable. So let's try filtering data. So these are the some other detail, like it is up and running, connected, and low is running, Bluetooth monitor is running. So this is capturing all the necessary details. Let's capture the data first, then let's export it. So you can see the 16 packet captured here, and the packet received by filter. So yeah, this is how you can apply the filtering. And now capture the TCP traffic, the protocol decode traffic. So it is decoding the traffic. Let's refresh the page, and now the capturing is started. All right, so the next one is analyzing packets in tshark. So tshark is a command line tool, while wireshark give you a graphical view of traffic, which makes spotting anomalies much easier. So tshark is a command line cousin of wireshark, and let's have some hands-on. The next one is tshark. So tshark is like a wireshark, command line cousin. So we can capture live data on ETS 0. Let's yeah refresh the page, and yeah, here are more cleaner data we can see. Clean and detailed, right? So this is how we can capture data using tshark. So tshark is command line wireshark, I would say, the second wireshark. And now let's save the output file in pcap format. So we can go and read this file later. So you can see the live capturing is going on, 254 packets captured. Now let's see using the ls command. Now let's read it. We cannot read it because it's encoded, so directly we cannot read it. So for reading this we need to use the tshark tool again. So let's try opening the pcap file in tshark. So we can use the read command, the read switch, the r switch, and here we can see all the captured packets that be exported as pcap. You can also filter for things like http request or dns port. So let's try that. http dot request and fields, and also the http agent, the user agent. These are the multiple switches I'm using here to get the more cleaner detail. The details are capturing here, but these are not the real http request. But yeah, we can see some traffic captured here from oscp dgcert or pki.google. Let's try browsing the insecure uh, site. Also we can do the filtering like sorting and unique, and it is capturing on the ets 0 again. Let's try open a insecure site, and tshark shows the request instantly after running this site. Never ssl. So this is a dummy site to test the uh, http request. So here you can see the 18 traffic captured. So it is very great tool when you don't want GUI. Trying to apply some fields and DNS request, the DNS query details. So some fields are not valid, but the command is correct. I don't know which field is not valid. We'll see later. uh, let's try something else. But this is how we can start filtering for the various type of protocols or ports. So let's jump on the next one, detecting suspicious activities using tshark and wireshark. So what activities can be detected using tshark packet capturing? So there are many examples like brute force attempt, uh, port scanning activities, or man in the middle attack. So how you might detect suspicious activity? So if you see many sync packet from one host, possible port scan is detected. And repeated failed logon attempt is also a sign of a brute force attack. and also you can detect clear text credential in http traffic. So if your security posture is weak, you can expose your clear text credentials. So these were some examples, and let's jump on the next one, cybersecurity context. So in real world security operations, SOC analysts capture traffic to investigate alerts. Incident responder analyze .pcap file for indicator of compromise, and red teamers use tcpdump and wireshark or tshark to see how their attacks looks on the wire. So today you learned how to capture traffic using TCP dump, filter it, save it, and analyze it in tshark. You also saw how to spot suspicious activities like scan and brute force attempts. In part 9, we will step back and look at the bigger picture, maintaining security and ethics in Linux environment, best practice for keeping systems safe while staying on the right side of the cybersecurity law. Packets don't lie, they tell the real story of what happened. So if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much.